It is hard to believe that he is no longer with us today. Just few weeks ago, we had in the college uh, uh, a meeting we had met in the college for a promotion meeting. He was relieved that after much struggle, we could reach this far. As he spoke to me, uh, he expressed his concern uh, over the growing pandemic situation and vote to return back to the college only when the situation improves. Uh, Never knew he will never come back again. His untimely demise has left us in a a deep void. OPG, as I always used to call him, was truly an incredible human soul, a man of exemplary character. Uh, I knew him since my MA days in 2000, but got opportunity to know more closely when he joined the department in 2010, and further when his family shifted to the same residential campus where we resided. Uh, Known widely for his academic acumen in the university, I was fortunate to witness his other facets. Uh, he was a very unconventional father. Not that as a father, we don't care much of our children, but the manner in which he attended to Kulkul was certainly very special. His cooking skills uh, came always handy when we occasionally visited him. Uh, Ensured that Preeti, his wife, is not bothered much while uh, she was pursuing her PhD. Was always in a hurry, as we saw him in the college, to reach home to attend to the family after the classes. He was so caring, always there for all. I remember, I remember few years back when I met with an accident. He rushed me to the hospital. Mm, uh, Came regularly to check on my health till I was better. Uh, uh, his affable smile and kindness was so reassuring. Uh, uh, he will be always there in our memories and heart. Uh, uh, Students of our department uh, have prepared a brief slide depicting his long association with the fraternity at the Zakir Hussain Delhi College. Uh, uh, we present a brief snippet of that. Uh, as we remember him today, uh, we have our principal, Dr. Beg, uh, uh, whom I request now to offer his condolences on behalf of the institution. Dr. Beg. Principal, sir.
Am I audible now?
You are audible, sir.
I was trying to unmute myself, but the message was
You're
that
audible. You're
the
audible. You're audible.
audible.
Yes, yes, we can
I
hear
was
you.
trying to unmute myself, but it was written that the host will unmute you, so I kept doing that. Anyway, thank you, Dr. Sanjeev, for giving this opportunity to express my deep condolences to Dr. OP. This is really a matter of great depression. I would say that whenever a head of the institution is asked to express his own opinion and say few words about the any colleague, that too happened to be young colleague who has departed from us untimely. Just this thing, I would like to say that he was very quite versatile. I could hear him only once because my 2.5 years of tenure in the day college as a principal, out of that 1.5 year is almost gone during pandemic, not much of interaction. But on a day, if you remember, when Dr. Uh, Ravi Ranjan and you two had invited Dr. Swapan Das Gupta, so he must have read his book, and the way he commented and the way he presented his thoughts on the book of Dr. Swapan Das Gupta, I was really impressed. Probably that was my best occasion of my life to hear Dr. OP. But afterwards, I was thinking about associating him with various platforms so that he could grow more and he could see the young faculty members also to grow together. But the untimely onset of this pandemic in Delhi and all over the world, my dreams could not be fulfilled. So I'm still repenting. Once upon a time, he came and talked to me also. And I said, Dr. Saab, let there be change in the committee formation. Because committees are not constituted on daily basis and committees are not changed during the year until unless any emergency situation arises. So, but I said when now the day was this that in my mind, because the month of May or June, the committees are constituted, old members are changed with the new members. So I had a great idea about him being associating in many dynamic societies, dynamic committees. That was my dream. That was my future plan about Dr. OP. But I would say that the destiny was not in my favor. Of course, not his favor, but my favor too. But we had a good interaction during the promotion time, which took place twice with him, 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. After that, we were thinking about associating him in my various committees and working together because he was full of talent, really talent. Sometimes I think that the entire political science department is so much talented that most of the colleagues from political science department are associated in one other committee. So the whole department is associated and only Dr. Upi or anybody else would have been left out. Anyway, when I heard the news about Om Prakash, I really could not make it out with Prakash because I never thought of that my colleague. Because though I was aware that he was admitted, but after having passed for 15 or 20 days or so, exactly I cannot say, the situation comes under control. And that was the time when I did not think that OP will not be with us for the rest of the life. You know that probably I know that you people are from political science department certainly and of a similar age group also, maybe association at PhD level, MPhil level, MA level, or belonging to same states or same district or something like that. But to me, it was a great pain. Reason being that he was the very prominent faculty member. Very particularly when I heard his speech during the speech of Dr. Supan Das Gupta. After that, I had something in my mind, but the destiny did not favor me, and we lost him. In fact, before the destiny or the decision of the God, probably nothing can be said or nothing can be talked about much on this issue, as we are helpless. But wherever I, in my own capacity, shall be helpful to Dr. OP, I said I shall always be available. His name has been sent to the university for certain uh, funds to be allocated by the university. His name has been sent yesterday only. So university is now University Teachers Welfare Fund kind of thing. Dr. Jaswinder Singh, the principal of Khalsa College, is the principal, is the secretary of that group, and Vaishnav is the patron. And so, in fact, we cannot, no one can compensate for the loss of life, but some of the emergent problems may arise, like the Sally must have been stopped by now. His family pension has to make it out, because I think he is the first colleague of mine about whom I do not know much that how the accounts department will process. And I have not discussed it, but I'll discuss it today only. Reason being, most of the people who have expired, they have expired only after their retirement. So the family pension is converted from, say, husband to wife or wife to husband likewise. Like in case of Sarita Khurana, it was converted, but there was no hurry as such because university was working at that time. But this time the university is in a closed mode. But as soon as the papers relating to Dr. OP is submitted in the office, it will be processed immediately without a single day. That is the kind of thing that I can pay as a tribute towards his bereaved family. So far, we have not got any paper like death certificate and application from his wife that she is the legally wedded wife and she is the natural heir. That has come from her. She can, because you know that we don't touch upon the family. I called her once or twice. I got the number from Dr. Ravi Ranjan, but she did not pick up the call. Reason being, we know that under this situation, people are not concerned about phone calls. Particularly, my number must have been saved in her mobile. I don't know. Anyway, not a problem. That is not an issue in any case, because the biggest thing is this, that his wife, or say Preeti, I think Preeti Chauhan, I think Preeti has lost her husband. Her, I think, I don't know exactly, 2 kids or 3 kids, 2 kids, I think. Both the kids must have lost dear father, and there is no compensation for loss of father for the loss of husband in ever in life. So I again reiterate that from the administration side, no problem would be arising. The only thing is that sometime some confusion created or confusion crops due to lack of knowledge, that what is the process of doing it. You may think that it is a control meeting. Why I'm talking about all these things is because I know that many of your colleagues have joined this meeting. So certainly you'll be talking about your association with OP, and I'll be listening to that very patiently. So I do not know, because I was not so close access to him. So you know all those things. You will just definitely sharing with the other colleagues from other departments, from other college. Sonu is sitting abroad. She must be speaking about Dr. OP, knowing well about him. But anyway, because sometimes, I mean, I don't get much of opportunity to interact with the faculty members, particularly during this pandemic time. So I'm taking the advantage of that. That there will not be any administrative hurdles from college side. But university has to, wherever university gets involved, it is up to the university to resolve that issue. College will not be a problem and has never been problem for anybody else, whether in the case of a retired person, not in case of a teacher who is on the roll. Anyway, we all again shed our tears in the memory of Dr. Om Prakash, and I'm sure that his all good deeds will be considered and he will get a good place in the heaven. And as a good human being, he should get that place, and he will always live in our heart. That we can never forget, because Dr. Om Prakash uh, demise is being discussed all over, at least in Delhi University. People, whenever I interact with any university official, they say, "Oh, our young colleague has died." Like somebody say OP, somebody say Om Prakash, somebody from political science department, somebody from the day college, like that. Everybody has their own uh, memory. Anyway, if I want to speak, may I be permitted to speak afterwards? Sometime I think that something I have forgotten to say. So I would request Dr. Sanjeev that I may call to him if I want to say anything else. Please allow me to speak. Right now, I want to stop myself in the loving memory of Dr. OP, and we all pray for his salvation, and we all stand together towards his bereaved family and towards all other friends, colleagues, relatives, that we are all there to help Dr. OP's family in one way or the other way, whatever may be possible. Anything comes to my part, I will be the most uh, prompt person to clear everything and give the instruction to the office that it should be clear within a day or two, likewise. And that can be done if all the um, formalities are complete. So thank you very much, Dr. Sanjeev, for giving this opportunity to say a few words. To me, it's a great loss. Reason being, I have to bear the losses being caused in the day college, in the evening college. So being a patron of both the colleges, uh, I have lost many precious lives. 4 persons from the day college and 9 persons from the evening college. So it comes out to around 13 persons. Yesterday only I had the governing body meeting, and there it was I had to name all of them. So it was a really heartbreaking situation for me. And I don't want to say much of it because many people must be, I think, maybe requiring to speak about Dr. Hopi. Thank you very much, Dr. Sanjay, for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. It's difficult for all of us, and I understand how much it has been for Priti. Uh, uh, she is unable to join us today, uh, and we have a brief message from her, which I request Dr. Sonu Trivedi to kindly read out for all of us. Sonu.
It's really very difficult to read out these words, but I'm doing it on behalf of Preeti. OP, as I called him, has been the shining star of my life. He loved me more than I can ever describe it. It was through him that I understood what unconditional love is. Never expected anything from me, just my happiness, and that I remain what I am. His love for our child was as much pure, for whom he has been both a father and a mother. He cooked for Kulkul, took him to park, kept him in his lap for hours to put him to sleep. He has been a better feminist in practice than me. His readings of the subject, deep and wide, he has been my ready guide for anything related to political science. Kulkul is waiting for you to come home. I shall wait to meet you again someday. We will meet is janam nahi to agle janam. Love only, my dearest OP.
Thank you, Sonuji. Uh, uh, OPG's elder brother, Jayaprakash ji, is also with us. May I request him to share a few words, if you may. Jayaprakash ji.
Yes, Mr. Sanjeev, am I audible?
Yes, yes, bhaiya, audible hai.
I don't have any words to say about him. The only thing which I can say is he was more than a brother, though he was my younger brother, but he's always acted, whatever problem comes in the family, he was the first to take it up. A person who can make anyone laugh. Now I cannot hear him again. That's what I can say.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Jayaprakash ji. Bhaiya. Thank you. Now, I don't know how to express what to say, but we have many colleagues, friends, students here who have had a great association with him, a great bond, the person that he was. So maybe the couple from the department and students also, if they would like to convey some message, and of course other colleagues from different colleges, friends who have joined us. So we would welcome you all to convey your condolences. So the floor is open for all of you. So maybe.
May I, please?
Yeah, Priya, please.
Or maybe a little late on them. I think when I think about OP, I only think of his love for his striped shirts. And there was something so easygoing about him, something so gentle about him. And I remember that even though he did not consider me his friend, but I considered him my friend, to the point that we would discuss so many unrelated matters. So OP and I, our relationship was that we discussed things which were not really academic. He would discuss recipes and how to renovate a home. And the sort of person that he was, he just let people into his life. And he would often narrate how he went to meet his mother and Bihar mein, and he once joked that he's still called Bawa because even though he's grown up, his mother still refers to him as a child. And when I think of him, I think of somebody who is tremendously devoted to his family, or tremendously devoted to the classroom. His students adored him, his students looked up to him. And that was only because he was, as a person, was just so easygoing that you could actually talk to him about anything and everything. And that's the sort of confidence that he generated. And to the extent that I could make fun of the fact that he was putting on weight, and he didn't really mind it. And he said, yeah, I am, and I really should lose some weight. And he would make fun of my gray hair and say, like, what's happening with you? And I just can't imagine coming to college and not seeing him. And to me, it's always somebody, I'll always see him sitting on that chair in the staff room, or having chai, or talking about things which he felt so deeply involved in. And because he was so open in that sense, I knew he would share how I would know things about Preeti, like her love for Maggie, for instance, and how much he looked into Kulkul's, how much he loved Kulkul. And I think that today I grieve, not because I've lost him, but I grieve for Kulkul, who would not know what a fabulous, devoted father OP was. And I grieve for OP because he won't see what, or he won't have the joy of watching people grow up. So I think the finality of death is something which is extremely painful, and he'll always be dear to me and dear to all of us. And not because of it, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter which university you attended or what you did or where you traveled. At the end of the day, it matters what sort of a human you were. And OP was a terrific, terrific person, and I will really miss him.
Thank you, Priya. Yeah, I think we have some of the students, I think, who have been with him. If they would like to say something, all of them, I think he was loved by all his students. So if anybody is around here among the students,
Sir, may I say something, sir? This is Anjali.
Anjali, yeah, Anjali, please. Please.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. It is such a painful moment for many of us gathered here. So I'm not here to take away any of our pain or grief, but we can only reminisce about Sir OP Sir. As Priya ma'am said, that he was tremendously devoted to the students, and he was a person who added some cheer to everyone whom he met in everyday situation, whether it's about lecturing in classes or concerns of the students on their assignments, presentation, or anything. The discussions we have had in the classroom to the staff rooms and up and down the floor. He has been very helpful, student friendly, caring, and concerned soul. So well, we know that all these people gathered here are like paying respect. This is a testament to his nature, and in knowing that, in knowing him, we are gifted with memories that we would carry forever. We know that those memories are gone, but the values we have got, the students have got from him, will always be with us. So I just pray the God that they give their family members the courage and the strength, and I also pray the God that the Almighty give all of us the necessary peace and strength to go on carrying on with his memories. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anjali. Yes. Anybody else?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Yes. Dipanshu.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, I literally do not know what words I use and what sentences I frame to express my grief and feeling that I have gone through, in these days. Like every day I was just thinking about him, and yesterday I just checked or saw the Facebook profile of Ravi sir. He was just literally crying on in that post, and he was like remembering so much OP sir, and reading that I literally cried, and I that commented on the also. It is just as somebody has pointed out, it is irreparable loss. Loss. That day, actually, a friend of mine has just messaged me that, do you know that we have lost officer and he is no more with us? And I was literally shocked. And then I checked it, I counter checked it, I talked to even some professors. So they then confirmed me that, yeah, he is no one. And I was literally shocked, and every memory of of him, मतलब जो कुछ भी memories हमने बनाई थी, whatever it may be classroom lectures, and I even now think all those classroom lectures, his thought-provoking lectures, or कॉरिडोर्स में हमको कई बार मिलते थे, वो किसी क्लास से निकलते थे, हम we used to wait outside and he just passed that beautiful smile, और वो जो बैग को इस तरह से टांग करके चलते थे, आई डोंट नो, मतलब वो कभी नहीं देख पाऊंगा। और आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट मैं सेकेंड ईयर से आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माय फेयरवेल आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग, क्योंकि आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्रेस माय ग्रेटिट्यूड टू सम स्पेसिफिक प्रोफेसर एंड ओपी सर वाज वन ऑफ देम। आई वाज लिटरली craving to express my gratitude in front of me. Like, he was the person, along with Savannah ma'am, he was the person who changed me from a science student to a political science student. He literally made me realize that why we need to understand political science. Why a person, not even a political science student, why a general person need to study political science. His thought-provoking lectures, my favorite was one of the his lecture on secularism. We were in the second semester, और उन्होंने secularism पर इतना अच्छा thought-provoking, like all his lectures were best. But I don't know, maybe I was attentive. मुझे बहुत अच्छा lecture उनका लगा था. And that day when I came to know that he is no more with us, I just went through that notes. और मैं वो notes पढ़ रहा था, और secularism पे मैं जब उनके notes पढ़ रहा था, which I made, I was just hearing all those mnemonics, and वो जिस तरह से उन्होंने explain किया था उस पूरे topic को, आशीष नंदी, याचिन विनायक, and टी.एन. मदान, सारे arguments उन्होंने इतने अच्छे तरह से draw किए थे, and I had that recording of that lecture too. I listened then, and I then again tried. So I just want to say that this man, like, he was a thought-provoking lecturer, eminent scholar, cheerful person, and most engaging person I have ever seen. And I must tell you all that we have literally lost a gem, and he will always remain in our thoughts and prayers. That is what I can say. And thank you so much, sir, and all of you who gave me support. Thank you.
Thank you, Dipanshu. Yes. Any members from students? Anybody like to express his?
Sir.
Sakshi. Yes,
Yes,
Sakshi. You may.
I just wanted to say that we joined the college for 3 years, but we never actually felt that it would happen with this memory with us also in unending. For OP sir, so his classes were always guided and binded with questions, which motivated us to learn and think differently. He always made the classroom brighter with his knowledge and wisdom that will definitely be gravely missed. And so I just wanted to say that all the lessons he taught us will always be with us, sir. That's it, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I want to say a few words.
Rajit. Karthik. Yeah, Karthik. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I met OP sir in 2018 once, and he told me that, Karthik, you happen to be a very special student of mine. And I'm bewildered. I asked that, why do you say, sir? And he said that you are one of the few students who has brought out the best in me. And then he went on to say that you have turned from a student to a colleague. What I first remember about OP sir is that in 2012, when I joined the college, Zakir Hussain Delhi College, Department of Political Science, my father asked me that, how do you like the space? And I said, Father, I might have made the biggest mistake of my life. And then I paused for a moment, and then I said, and maybe I have not. And he said, why do you say so? And I told him that I have met this wonderful, wonderful human being who inspires us to think critically, as well as with very unbiased notions. And the first class that I remember about OP sir was that we were straight out of the school, and we were brought up in a system of hierarchy wherein we would get up to wish our teachers. And in his infectious smile, every time we used to get up, he used to say, "No hierarchy in my class. I am also a student of discipline. It's just that I am a bit older than you." He always used to shake my hands. Once I met him after long, and I decided that I should touch his feet for the contribution that he has done to my life. And he held me by my hands and said, "You should hug me next time." So he used to teach us the subject of constitution and development in India in first semester and political processes in the second. And most of us used to find the subject arcane and mundane, but by the sheer conviction of his passion towards the subject and personified simplicity and the dedication towards his duty, that is teaching, in the peak summer of Delhi in 2013, after the class, he used to discuss with us at length. And 1920 is the age where you want to be heard and you want to be listened to. You all have all those sorts of gibberish ideas. And now when I look back, I find it funny that he used to listen to all the crap that I used to say for hours and still, entertain that thought without accepting it. He has held a very tall position in the lives of students, and our grief is manifold because he still had at least 2 to 3 generations who could have been blessed by his teaching learning process and the potential. Once I visited his home, and he was probably babysitting his son, and that is when I realized that he's not just a good teacher, but he's also a very doting and caring father. So overall, it makes him a complete human being. Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik. Uh, Madhulika ji is also here, Professor Madhulika. She has been closely associated with OPG, I know, since DCRC days. Ma'am, please say some few words.
This is the hardest thing I've ever done. I speak on behalf of the department that respected.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Am I not audible? I think if I put on my earphones, it might be better. Can you hear me from the maybe there's some technical mix-up, I think. Can you hear me from there? I can't seem to hear you. Just send me a message when I have. I'm not audible, is it? Is this any better?
Yes, yes. Now it is.
Okay. I was just saying that this is possibly the hardest thing I've ever done. And I choose to speak on behalf of all my colleagues from the department.
You need to keep the mic closer to you. Can't hear you.
Yeah. Is that better? Is that better?
Not audible, ma'am.
Not audible.
आवाज नहीं आ रही मधुलिका.
Sorry, I really did so want to say something about
Just increase the volume. Yeah.
Is that better? I'm so sorry. I would like to say something if I can be heard. Can I be heard now? That's a real pity. I can be heard, Dinesh? Okay.
मैम सुनाई नहीं हो, नहीं आ पा रहा है वॉल्यूम.
Okay. I'll log out and log back in. Maybe that will help. Please carry on.
There is some problem, ma'am. I think Madhulika ji will join us later, but there's somebody would like to speak. Ujjwal sir.
जी जी हाँ संजीव जी, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर.
मुश्किल तो है, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा पहले के समय में जाता हूँ. ओम प्रकाश, इनफैक्ट ओम प्रकाश बहुत कम बोलते ही, आमतौर पे ओपी ही बोलते हैं, सभी तो ओपी ही कहते हैं. तो बीए कर रहे थे ये लोग. ओपी थे, रवि थे, आनंद थे, प्रदीप झा थे. एक बहुत छोटा सा ग्रुप था, पेपर था पॉलिटिक्स इकोनॉमी सोसाइटी, पहले वो पोलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट का पेपर था. और हम लोग सब लॉन में बैठ के पढ़ते थे, हिंदू कॉलेज के लॉन में बैठ के पढ़ते थे और घंटों पढ़ते थे. तो मतलब उस समय भी सभी, रवि आते थे बाहर किसी कॉलेज से, सभी बड़ा अच्छा ग्रुप था. तो फिर इन लोग सारे ग्रुप के तौर पे ही आगे बढ़े और उस समय में बहुत क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन होता था. मतलब कोई सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होता था. और मैं भी थोड़ा यंग ही था उस समय, तो वो भी चैलेंज अच्छा लगता था. ओपी के लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि बड़े फेयर थे वो. आप अगर फेयरनेस की बात करेंगे, बहुत इवन हैंडेड, ही वाज एब्सोल्युटली फेयर पर्सन, यू नो. वो हर तरह के आर्गुमेंट्स को लाएंगे, बट हैड अ ड्रीम आल्सो लाइक ऑल ऑफ अस, सभी थे. तो इनफैक्ट यू नो, वन क्वालिटी व्हिच हैज स्टूड all the way was his fairness, you know. He won't go to the extreme. He was a very serious research scholar. अभी शायद आज के लोग पिछले 10-15 साल में सभी को फेलोशिप रहता है. सभी मुझको, मैं बार बार यही कहता हूँ कि ये वैसे स्कॉलर थे जिन्होंने अपनी पीएचडी की बिना फेलोशिप के की. 4 साल 5 साल पर अगर आप पीएचडी करते हैं, आपके पास कुछ जरिया नहीं है, कोई तरीका नहीं है, और आप तब भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. और बहुत मेहनत किया था इन्होंने पीएचडी के लिए. आंध्रा में गए थे, बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है आज भी. इनफैक्ट मेरा तो ये कि अभी भी कहता रहता हूँ सभी से कि भाई सबको पब्लिश करना चाहिए. तो अभी भी मैं इनके पीछे पड़ा रहता था. और ये बहुत ही पोलाइट थे, मतलब मुश्किल हो जाती, इतने पोलाइट थे कि आप थोड़ा सा बोल भी नहीं पाते ज़्यादा इनको. और ये कई जगह इन्वॉल्व रहे, मतलब पॉलिटिकल साइंस के तो थे ही, डिपार्टमेंट के रिसर्च स्टूडेंट थे ही, क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाने में, बाकी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में. जैसे आप भी आते हैं संजय जी, आप सभी लोग, इनफैक्ट जाकिर हुसैन कॉलेज पूरे यंगस्टर से भरा हुआ है. तो इतना अच्छा माहौल आप लोगों ने दिया और अपने स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत बड़ाई करते थे. मुझको कई बार मिलते थे, बोलते थे कि वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि सर जवाब ही नहीं है, ये आउटस्टैंडिंग स्टूडेंट है. और कहीं ना कहीं स्टूडेंट्स आगे जाके बहुत अच्छा, तो अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत इज्जत थी इनके दिल में. और पता नहीं, मैं तो देखता था कि सभी बहुत अच्छी इनकी मुस्कान की बड़ाई करें. मुझको भी बड़ा वो मुस्कान, बहुत सुंदर से मुस्कुराते थे ये. लेकिन एक चीज बताऊं, मुझको कभी पता नहीं लगा कि इतना सीधा आदमी या इस तरह का ये प्रेम में कैसे पड़ जाएगा. तो वो खबर मुझको बिल्कुल नहीं थी. बाद में मालूम चला कि प्रीति और ओम प्रकाश तो कहीं गए थे, उसके बाद दोनों प्रेम बंधन में आ गए. तो मतलब आदमी को आप देखते हैं, चेहरा देखते हैं, बात करते हैं, और अंदर में क्या है वो बिल्कुल एक, तो जो जिस व्यक्ति को प्यार करना आता है उससे ज्यादा और क्या हो सकता है. तो मैं तो उसी ढंग से ओपी को याद रखूंगा. बिल्कुल अच्छे दिनों को याद करूंगा, सुंदर मुस्कान को याद करूंगा, कमिटमेंट को याद करूंगा. देखिए आप संजीव जी, आप जानते हैं इस माहौल में भी ही वॉज अ कमिटेड पर्सन, और वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है. जो जिस कमिटमेंट का है उसको रिस्पेक्ट करता है, बढ़ता है, विच इज सच अ रेयर क्वालिटी. और हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के काफ़ी लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, नमिता, नसरीन, मधुलिका, अशोक, श्री प्रकाश जी, और भी मैं नाम देखने पर सारे लोग हमारे जुड़े हुए हैं। तो हम पूरे डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से हम लोग नतमस्तक हैं एक बहुत अच्छे स्कॉलर के लिए, एक बहुत अच्छे कलीग के लिए, एक बहुत अच्छे इंसान के लिए। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद जुगल सर। मुझे लगता है उन्हीं लम्हों के साथ हमें ओपी जी को अपने जीवन में याद रखना होगा, क्योंकि जिस कमिटमेंट के साथ, जिस वर्क एथिक्स के साथ वो हमारे साथ रहते आए, काम करते रहे, आई थिंक दैट विल बी काइंड ऑफ एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, आई थिंक। So thank you sir for sharing your memories with him. uh, uh, I don't know what to say, but I was told by my students that there are many who would like to share memories, and I could see many. Maninder sir is here. I think he was also with us since DCRC days. In Zakir Hussain College, he was first with us. Maninder sir, if you would like to share some memories of him, you may.
थैंक यू संजीव। अभी उज्जवल जी ने चर्चा की, एक पेपर था जो इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था हिंदू कॉलेज में उस ज़माने में, पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी एंड सोसाइटी, और तभी मुझे नौकरी नहीं थी, और उज्जवल जी एंड पारितोष जी ने मुझे बुलाया था उस पेपर में कुछ लेक्चर्स देने के लिए। तभी मेरी मुलाकात ओम प्रकाश से हुई थी और सब लोग एक जगह जमा होते थे। तब से लेकर काफ़ी दिनों तक हम लोग साथ बैठ के बहुत कुछ डिस्कस करते थे और कई तरह की बातें होती थी। फिर पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी, जब मैंने फिलोसफी ऑफ साइंस पढ़ाया जब एमए में, तो एमफिल में ये दोनों रवि वगैरह सब हमारे साथ थे, और कभी ऐसा लगता नहीं था कि स्टूडेंट हैं हम सब लोग, तो मित्रवत थे। ये थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग रणधीर सिंह की थी, थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग उज्जवल जी लोगों की थी। हम सब लोगों का जो एक तरीका था आपस में इंटरेक्ट करने का, और उस रणधीर सिंह मोहंती मॉडल ऑफ टीचिंग और टीचर को जो सबसे बेहतर तरीके से जिसने अपनाया, मुझे लगता है वो ओम प्रकाश था। और जैसे रणधीर सिंह कहा करते थे, आई एम बेसिकली ए टीचर, हमेशा ओम प्रकाश को देख के मुझे यही लगता था कि ही इज बेसिकली ए टीचर। उसका रिसर्च बहुत ही बढ़िया था, मुझे उसके रिसर्च को पढ़ने का मौका मिला था, उससे बहुत बातचीत करने का मौका मिला था। एक बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक था जिस पे उसने काम किया था, और पॉलिटिकली बहुत सेंसिटिव टॉपिक था। जिस तरह की उसकी पर्सनालिटी थी, जो जैसा अभी बता रहे हैं लोग कि बहुत कम बोलते थे और हमेशा मुस्कुराते थे। कभी मैंने ओम प्रकाश को किसी कंट्रोवर्सी में देखा ही नहीं। जैसे स्टूडेंट्स उनके बता रहे हैं, आई कैन इमेजिन किस तरह के टीचर वो रहे होंगे। एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को खोना तो बहुत ही दुखदाई है, लेकिन बहुत कुछ हम लोग उससे सीख सकते हैं। और ओम प्रकाश से जो कमिटमेंट है एज ए टीचर, जो आजकल कम होने लगा है हम लोगों के बीच में, उसको लेकर हम लोग इंस्पिरेशन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, और आने वाला जो जनरेशन है वो भी इंस्पिरेशन ड्रॉ कर सकता है ओम प्रकाश जैसे लोगों से, जो हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। ओपी के साथ बहुत काम करने का मौका मिला। जब एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग कर रहे थे, तो एक पूरा ग्रुप था, रवि, ओम प्रकाश और करीब 15 लोगों का ग्रुप था, जिसमें उनके बैचमेट्स ज़्यादा थे। उस दरमियान कई बार कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी होता था, तो मैं ओम प्रकाश से पूछता था हर चीज़ के बारे में। वो पब्लिकली कुछ भी नहीं बोलता था, और प्राइवेटली मैं उससे पूछता था, ओम प्रकाश तुम्हारा क्या ओपिनियन है, और वो उसका ओपिनियन मेरे लिए ब्रह्म वाक्य होता था। हमेशा ही मैं उसको फॉलो करता था। इस तरह का एक व्यक्ति जो एक अपने से सीनियर लोगों के लिए भी इंस्पिरेशन हो जाए, बहुत कम होता है, बहुत ही कम होता है। उसके परिवार के लिए मुझे प्रीति की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं कि कैसे वो मैनेज करेगी। मैं समझ सकता हूँ कितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन जो उसकी यादें हैं, जो उसका जो आदर्श है, वही हमारे लिए एक मोटिवेटिंग फोर्स होगा फ्यूचर में, हम उम्मीद करते हैं।
थैंक यू सर। हमारी कलीग वसुधा भी कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हैं। वसुधा, you may.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, Vasudha, you are audible.
Thank you, Sanjeev. मैं बहुत सोच रही थी आपका मैसेज जब आया संजीव थोड़ी देर पहले कि आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. मैं तो जब से I had heard this news, there were so many thoughts to share, but I honestly wasn't able to gather much courage. Abhi bhi I'm not going to be too articulate, but I still wanted to let this thing out. I remember there's so many things, about OP that first of all, he told me once that Vasudha, you are the second person. There are only two people who call me Om. I said, who all are that? I knew one of them was me. I hardly addressed him as OP. I mostly called him Om. He said, one is you and one is your supervisor, Professor Achin Vinayak. That was one thing that it came to my mind when I heard about OP. One of the first things in my association with him, I did not have a very, very long association with him. I came to know him only through Zakir Hussain when we joined as colleagues. But he was very cordial, and we did not have a very strong bond like many of you all have. But in the last 1 year, when I had to, abruptly join college when I was in India, and because of the lockdown and pandemic, I had to abruptly resume my duties. I was on leave. The last 1 year of online teaching, I was able to survive, I would say, only with the help of a couple of colleagues, and one of them was Om. I mean, whatever friendship that developed in the last 1 year especially was so precious. I could call him even at 11 o'clock in the night to discuss about promotion forms. He helped me out so much with my promotion forms. We did a faculty development course together. Preeti also was with us in that. And even beyond academic partnership and academic collaborations, I mean, what I admired most about him was that the manner in which he took great care of his son, Kulkul. I even remember, like, when I used to call him sometimes at 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the evening, he used to say, Vasudha, मैं रोटी बना रहा हूँ, कुलकुल को खाना खिला रहा हूँ. कभी मैं 4 बजे हमारी बात होती थी तो he used to say कि वसुधा आज मैं लेट हो गया, मैं कुलकुल को संभाल रहा हूँ, प्रीति is in college. I mean, he was so caring not only towards Kulkul, but he understood his role as a husband as well. He was so doting towards both Kulkul and Preeti, and he never boasted about it. He never, bragged about it, that I wear feminism on my sleeve kind of a thing. He took it as his natural, way of playing his role as a husband and a father. I even remember that when my son was turning 2, and I believe Kulkul was just to be born around that time, I told Om, I said, Chalo, I'll take you to Jhandewala. There's a, children's market there, toy market. So aapko thoda idea ho jayega. And we went there, and all throughout, even though we were looking at toys and cycles and things like that, we were discussing about Bihar. We were discussing about Bihar politics, landlords, land ownership, agricultural reforms, and so on and so forth. So political science, ek tarah se we can say कि कूट kar, OP में भरा था. You could not take it out from him. And I also remember we attended Kulkul's first birthday party, and how he defied, how Om defied the gender roles, because he asked his guests that if you are male, wear pink, if you are female, wear blue. This was how Om tried to redefine the gender, roles, and even break the gender stereotypes. So there's still a lot to learn from his life, and these memories are going to haunt us for the coming months and years. We can never forget about his precious, charming smile. And yeah, there's still a lot of things. I'll reserve it probably for some other occasion, but it's extremely hard to still digest, to accept this fact for even for us. So my prayers and best wishes to Preeti, his family. Even a few days ago, just before our second promotion interview, we were on the phone and we were discussing about vaccines, and he said my brother has taken one and I'm still not sure. We were discussing, I mean, there was a range of issues one could discuss with Om, and you hardly find too many people with whom you can discuss a variety of issues, anything from cooking to parenting, to he was discussing about his thyroid health issues, and so many things you could freely, in a very reliable way, you could just put your trust in him. He was so reliable, like he could be somebody's confidant. He was such a beautiful and such a wonderful soul. And yeah, I mean, I lost a very dear friend, to say the least. Thank you.
Yeah, Vasudha, thank you. Indeed, a great loss for all of us. I think there are many here present, I think, at different levels. I think they have been, I don't know what to say, but I could maybe, if there are few, maybe another 10 minutes we can take, 10, 15 minutes, if there are some colleagues, friends who have been left out, I think, because we could not reach out to everyone. So in case if somebody would like to share any memories that they had with OPG, so we can at least go on for a while. For another 10 minutes, we can continue, because there are many who wanted to speak about him. So we want to take this meeting maybe another 10, 15 minutes, if you may all allow us. Anybody who would like to speak? Tariq, I could see you want to say something. आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, तारिक? Please unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible?
हाँ तारिक,
Sanjeev?
हाँ आप सुन पा रहे हैं हम आपको. आप कुछ
जी
बोलना
जी
चाहते
जी. Thank you संजीव. ओपी जी के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब क्या बोलूं, एक दो इंसिडेंट ऐसे हैं जो वाकई, मतलब वो कभी मैं भूल नहीं सकता. और ऐसे तो अमूमन स्टाफ रूम में ओपी जी से ऐसे ही चाय वाय पीते वक्त कई बार बैठ लेते थे, हंसी मजाक कभी कभार कुछ हो जाता था, और हाय हेलो, मतलब बहुत उस तरह का तो नहीं बहुत, लेकिन हाय हेलो स्टाफ रूम में होता था मेरे साथ. लेकिन बीच में एक अभी कुछ एक आध साल पहले की बात है कि एक बार कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंट होता है कि जैसे सोशल मीडिया वगैरह पे कुछ इस तरह का ने लिख विख दिया था, तो उसको लेकर के काफी बातचीत होने लगी थी. After 2-3 days I went to college and I was sitting in the staff room, और ऐसे ही चाय पी रहा था, एक दो लोग बात कर रहे थे, फिर सडनली वो दो लोग उठ के चले गए, मैं अकेला बैठा रह गया वहाँ। और ओपी जी वाज सिटिंग समवेयर एल्स, ही just walked down from there and sat beside me. said कि हाय तारिक जी, क्या हाल है, कैसे हो आप? मैंने कहा ठीक है ओपी जी, आप बताइए कैसे हैं, क्या हाल है? तो then he started talking about many things about the present dispensation and politics, ये सब इस तरह की चीजें। और अंत में इसका सार इस ये बात मैं इसलिए कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि अंत में जो बात उन्होंने कही, कहा कि तारिक देखो, जो 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 दौर चल रहा है या जो फेज है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये परमानेंट रहेगा। ठीक है, आपको गुस्सा आता होगा इन चीजों से, या आप बहुत कुछ लिख देते हो, कुछ कह देते हो, लेकिन आप थोड़ा चीजों को समझो तारिक। ठीक है, अभी इस टाइम ये वो दौर नहीं है जहां आप इस तरह से एकदम आउटराइटली चीजों को लेते हो या किसी को कुछ बोल देते हो, लिख देते हो, ये ठीक नहीं है तारिक। बिकॉज आई केयर फॉर यू एंड आई नो दैट यू आर अ गुड पर्सन। तो मैं इसलिए आपको समझा रहा हूँ तारिक जी, तो थोड़ा सा आप रेस्ट्रेंट बरतो चीजों में। और उस बात को उन्होंने इतने अपनेपन से और इस एक्सप्रेशन के साथ कहा कि वो चीज मतलब मुझे हमेशा जैसे याद रहे कि इतने सारे मेंबर्स हैं, उन सबको पता होगा कि हाँ तारिक ने क्या लिखा, क्या कहा, नहीं कहा, बट नोबडी केयर्स अबाउट दैट। कह दे छोड़ो, हटाओ। ही केम टू मी एंड ही ऐसे बच्चे की तरह समझाया मुझे वहां पे। ये एक तो ये इंसिडेंट है, और दूसरा एक इंसिडेंट है जब मैं ऐसे ही अभी कुछ दिन की पहले की ही बात है, कुछ इश्यूज थे कॉलेज को लेकर के, ये वो, तो कॉलेज के ग्रुप पे भी कुछ कुछ लिख देता हूँ। सडनली एक दिन कॉलेज के पार्किंग में मुलाकात हो गई। वो मेरी मुलाकात और बात ओपी जी से शायद आखिरी है, तो मैंने थोड़ी देर उनसे बात की थी। उनकी वाइफ प्रीति वाज आल्सो देयर, अपने बच्चे के साथ, शायद वो अपनी कॉलेज से आ रही थी, और वहाँ भी वही बात हुई कि तारिक ठीक है, ये शब्द कहा कि से जो बात कही उन्होंने कि आपके लिए मेरा सम्मान बढ़ गया तारिक जी, मतलब कुछ भी हो आप लिखते जरूर हो और बोलते जरूर हो, छोड़ते नहीं हो किसी चीज को, और किसी के, चाहे किसी से संबंधित क्यों ना हो। और फिर थोड़ी देर हम लोगों ने वहाँ बात की, और प्रीति जी से मेरी मतलब प्रॉपर जो थोड़ी मुलाकात है वो वहीं पार्किंग में हुई थी। मुमकिन है उससे पहले कहीं हुई होगी किसी फंक्शन वगैरह में, लेकिन प्रीति जी से या उनके बेटे से कुलकुल नाम भी मुझे अभी पता लगा, से वही मुलाकात है हमारी। और मैं ये चाहूँगा कि खुदा उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे और परिवार को सब्र दे, और इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँ, बस मतलब ही वाज सच अ नाइस पर्सन। मतलब वो ये बात मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता, जिस अपनेपन से उन्होंने ये बातें कही थी मुझे। हालांकि मेरा बहुत ज्यादा उनसे कोई उतना इंटरेक्शन नहीं था, ठीक है, पॉलिटिकल साइंस डिपार्टमेंट में थे, स्टाफ रूम में उठना बैठना होता था, लेकिन जिस अपनायत से उन्होंने ये बातें मुझे कही थी वो मैं भूल नहीं सकता कभी। थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
Thank you,
संजीव।
Tariq. Thank you, Tariq. Yeah, definitely. Yes, ये बात एकदम सही है कि he touched all hearts, even if we were not associated as colleagues, as friends, but he could reach out to anybody. That's the one quality that, of course, stood with him, and that's where I think those who have joined here, you could see that the number still getting not thinner as the day progressed. But then I think if there are, I could see some of the members, faculty members from other colleges and universities also. If you may want to say something, please.
या संजीव, क्या मैं कुछ कह सकता हूँ?
या ललन जी, हाँ प्लीज
जी,
प्लीज ललन जी।
ओपी एक ऐसे साथी हैं, मैं तो विधिवत पॉलिटिकल साइंस का नहीं हूँ, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से हूँ।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और जब उज्जवल अपनी बात बता रहे थे हिंदू कॉलेज की, उज्जवल सर जब हमारे यहाँ आए मतलब पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाने के लिए, तो उनके विद्यार्थियों के बारे में उनसे सुनते थे। और ओपी से विधिवत मुलाकात लगभग 2000 के बाद हुई, 2001 या 2 के बाद हुई। और एक ऐसे साथी थे जिसका दिल्ली और चंडीगढ़ में अलग अलग होना माने नहीं रखता है। और रिसर्च के बारे में, बहुत सी चीजों के बारे में आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी बात किया है। वो क्या कहूँ, नवप्रीत भी कुछ कहना चाह रही थी, लेकिन मैं नवप्रीत की भी बात अपनी बात पे जोड़ना चाहता हूँ। वो सबके साथी थे, और जो उनकी मुस्कान थी और जो उनका रेंज था हर चीज को समझने का और बड़े आसानी से रख देने का और समझाने का हर पल में, उन सारी क्या बोले अमानतों के वो धनी थे। और ओपी को हमारे दिलों में तो रहेंगे ही रहेंगे, कई जनरेशंस याद रखेंगी उनके इस तरह के व्यक्तित्व को। और उज्जवल सर ने और बाकी उनके कलीग्स ने बताया ही था कि वो अपने विद्यार्थियों के प्रति कितने कमिटेड थे। मैं तो कहता हूं जो रणधीर सिंह मोहंती सर और सबकी विरासत थी, उस विरासत को आगे बढ़ाने वालों में थे। और क्या कहूँ, कुछ कह नहीं पा रहा हूँ, इतना ही अभी फिलहाल कहता हूँ ओपी के बारे में। शुक्रिया। संजीव।
Sanjeev, can I come in?
हाँ, रेखा जी, प्लीज मैम, प्लीज।
Yeah, actually, इतना कुछ कहा गया है तो मैं उसको रिपीट नहीं करूंगी।
थोड़ा सा ऑडियो प्लीज, थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर दीजिए।
Can you hear me? Am I audible now?
Yeah, a little.
मैंने थोड़ा मैसेज में लिख दिया है चैट बॉक्स में, क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगा बात करने का। लेकिन ओपी से मेरा इंटरेक्शन बहुत पहले, कम से कम 10-15 साल पहले से एसोसिएशन रहा। एंड मतलब जब व्हेन ही वाज स्ट्रगलिंग एंड और इतने ही कम टाइम में ही जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, मतलब ही वाज सच अ लाइवली पर्सन की बहुत ही आई यूज्ड टू ट्रीट हिम लाइक अ यंगर ब्रदर। तो एंड क्वाइट ऑफन यूज्ड टू कॉल मी एंड डिस्कस थिंग्स। एंड मुझे याद है अंशु के साथ वो एक बार मेरे घर भी आया था। एंड राजधानी कॉलेज में जब पहला जॉब का ब्रेक मिला था तो राजेश झा उन लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया था, तो काफ़ी ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी। एंड तो थोड़े ही टाइम मेरा, मतलब उसके बाद थोड़ा वो बिजी हो गया, ही गॉट अ जॉब एंड ऑल दैट, तो उतना बीच में टच में नहीं रह पाए। लेकिन पर जितना इंटरेक्शन रहा उतने टाइम में ही बिकेम वेरी क्लोज टू मी, और बिल्कुल छोटे भाई की तरह ही मैंने उसे समझा। एंड जब सुना भी तो इट वाज लाइक आई वाज रियली शॉक्ड, यू नो, टू हियर अबाउट दिस his sad demise. So it's like a personal loss to me, and we are all there with Preeti, whatever we can do. And on behalf of the Department of Political Science, like Veena ji is, as you know, she's still hospitalized, and I'm officiating on behalf of Veena ji. So on behalf of Department of Political Science also, I would like to, you know, offer our express our sincere condolences to all of you, his family, Preeti, and friends, and we all stay united in this hour of grief. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. It means a lot that fraternity at large is with us in this moment of grief and sorrow. But definitely, I think it is not the time to deliberate on those moments. Certainly, there is enough that PG has left for us, which we take as a value, and in years to come, we'll try to put them in letter and spirit. We, as a department, have thought about on many planks. Very shortly, we are planning to have a memorial lecture in commemoration with OPGs. Okay, so very soon we'll get with this work. And of course, we are also looking forward with some kind of fellowship scheme that student of political science in the college can be given on an annual basis. So we are looking out certain possible ways through which we can continue to remember OPG. Of course, I know the kind of character that he was, जिस तरह की personality थे, वो आसानी से नहीं भूले जा सकेंगे. It's not easy. Even if you want to forget him, he will come out and keep reminding us through his words and deeds. So that's the strength that we draw through OP जी. हमारे लिए वो एक सीनियर थे, एज अ सीनियर कलीग. एसोसिएशन लंबा जरूर था, बट देन इतना शॉर्ट लिव्ड होगा ये एसोसिएशन. ऑन 6th we met on 6th of April, जब हमारा सेकेंड प्रमोशन हो रहा था, और हम लोग बहुत होपफुल थे कि जल्दी ही हमारा एसोसिएट का होने वाला है. ओपी जी थोड़ा सा उदास थे इस बात को लेकर के कि things are not working well because of the pandemic, so things might be delayed. लेकिन हम लोग आपस में कंसोल कर रहे थे, नहीं नहीं हम लोग बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है, and definitely we'll get that due. Unfortunately, that was the last meeting that we had, and in the parking while he was leaving, he told me that अपना ध्यान रखिए, फोन पे बात करेंगे, एक ही सोसाइटी में रह रहे थे, मैसेजेस पे हम लोग टच में रहेंगे, पैंडेमिक में मिलना तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, और प्रमोशंस को लेकर के थोड़ा हमें तेज रखना पड़ेगा. बट I could see him that kind of anxiety in him on that particular day. एक अलग तरह का डर था जब वो हमारे बीच थे उस समय, और बहुत एक पैनिक था उनके मन में. I did not know. I just tried to spend few like we went out and decided to be not in the committee room where the meeting was to be held. I never knew कि वो जो लास्ट हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रहा था जिसमें बहुत सारी बातें हुई, प्रमोशंस, हेल्थ एंड अदर इश्यूज. अगले दिन उन्होंने मुझे टेक्स्ट भी किया, आपकी तबीयत तो ठीक है. मैंने लिखा थोड़ा हेडेक हो रहा है मुझे, आज पूरा दिन मेरा हेडेक हो गया. बोला नहीं नहीं ध्यान रखो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. एंड नेक्स्ट डे he messaged me saying that he's down with a little flu. मैंने कहा कि कोई बात नहीं, आप तो थोड़ा स्टीम लीजिए, और I think this is a normal cold and flu, and things will be better very soon. Never knew that things will reach to this far. ये कभी नहीं सोचा था कि इस तरह का होगा. लास्ट मोमेंट तक, जब तक वो even while he was on the ventilator, we always had that hope that the fighter that he was, that I saw him as a fellow colleague, and of course as a struggling, when we were looking for a job during the early 20s, 2003 onwards. So I knew that he's a fighter, he will come back. ये हम लोग को पूरा यकीन था, लेकिन पता नहीं नियति को कुछ और मंजूर था. But then I think we will continue to live with his memories, and will do whatever will be possible through the institution, and I'm sure the Department of Political Science in the university will also will be able to extend some support if at all will be needed. But good that many colleagues from different universities, friends, at such a short interval could all join us. That shows the kind of love he had for everyone, and that is why we all are here. So I would like to thank you all and for joining us today through on behalf of the Department of Political Science. I think very shortly we'll come back with some information through which we will keep reminding you about OPGs, and of course at your own level I know आप सब कुछ ना कुछ उनकी मेमोरीज को फ्रेश करने के लिए, अलाइव करने के लिए जरूर करेंगे. तो इस उम्मीद के साथ कि जिंदगी चलती रहेगी और वक्त जरूर थोड़ा ठहर गया, I think we shall overcome. या राधा मोहन जी, या yes, would like to say something, Radha Mohan ji? आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
Hello, Sanjeev ji, may I just say something?
Yeah, please. Yeah.
I have one. Well, OP was indeed a very special person. जितने लोगों ने बात कहा है, और जो हम लोग का एहसास भी है, that he was no ordinary being. उसके रहने से ही, उसका presence used to uplift the staff. जितने सुलझे हुए थे, जितने वो कूल, कंपोज, कभी किसी के खिलाफ कोई नेगेटिव बात उन्होंने नहीं कहा, कभी गुस्साते हुए नहीं देखा. क्लास भी लेते थे तो बड़े सहज भाव से. और इतना इंगेज कर देते थे अपने स्टूडेंट्स को। मेरी क्लास उनके बगल में ही हुआ करती थी और मैं हमेशा देखता था कि कभी वो टेबल पे
I think we lost his connection with Ashwin ji. He's a fellow colleague in the history department. तो शायद
hello, am I audible? Am I audible?
या अश्विन जी आप
मेरा कनेक्शन मेरा ब्रेक हो गया था।
या प्लीज
तो मैं हमेशा बहुत इंस्पायर्ड होता था उनको देख के कि किस तरह से स्टूडेंट बिल्कुल एकदम और हमेशा वो स्टूडेंट्स के चेहरे पे भी एक मुस्कान, एक संतोष और एकदम जैसे लगता था कि वो भी एकदम एंगेज्ड हैं फुली। तो हमेशा मुझे मन कर रहा था कि मेरा क्लास भी वैसा ही हो और शायद ही कभी ऐसा हो पाया। तो वो बहुत ही इस तरह से मैं उनको देखता था और एक लेवल पे जो उनसे इंटरेक्शन होता था, कभी भी कोई डिस्कशन करना हो तो जो उनका एनालिसिस होता था, तो जैसे उज्जवल सर ने कहा, इतना फेयर माइंडेड, इतना हर चीज को कूलली उसके हर पहलू को देख के अपनी निजी प्रेजुडिसेस को वो कभी भी नहीं लाते थे और वो हमेशा जो है एकदम ऑब्जेक्टिवली किसी भी चीज को, तो यहाँ तक कि अभी हम तो सब जानते हैं लिबरल सेक्युलर प्रोग्रेसिव वैल्यूज में उनका कितना विश्वास था और बहुत कमिटेड थे और इस लेवल पे मतलब मुझे लगता है पूरा पॉलिटिकल साइंस ही जो है एक बगीचा है और इसमें सभी जो लिबरल जो प्रोग्रेसिव वैल्यूज का जो कमिटमेंट है इस पॉलिटिकल साइंस, तो हमारे लिए एक मिसाल है ये कॉलेज के लिए। इस बगीचे में भी वो एक अद्भुत फूल थे जो फ्रेग्रेंट, हमेशा मुस्कुराते हुए। तो ये चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था और कभी भी जब भी उनसे बात होती थी पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन हो, सोशल सिचुएशन, एक बार मुझे याद है कि बहुत हम लोग बैठे हुए थे स्टाफ रूम में और उन्होंने मुझे अपनी एक तरह से अतीत में अपने ले गए, कैसे वो उन्होंने पढ़ाई की और पढ़ाई बड़ी मतलब फाइनेंशियल स्थिति बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी लेकिन तब भी, और कितने लेवल पे उनके फादर के साथ कितना गहन रिलेशनशिप था। तो एक बार उन्होंने मुझसे शेयर किया था, मैं बहुत आई वाज सो टच्ड बाय इन अ वे ही रिलेटेड ऑल दीज थिंग्स टू मी। हालांकि उनके घर कभी जाना नहीं हुआ, बड़ी तमन्ना थी कि कभी जाए मिले, लेकिन अब जो कुलकुल हैं तो वो कुलकुल उनकी ही एक तस्वीर है जिनमें हमें हमेशा वो भी दिखेंगे और जब जैसे जैसे वो बड़े होंगे तो हमको हमेशा मतलब ये उम्मीद और ये रहेगा कि वो बिल्कुल जैसा वो भी चाहते होंगे उनके लिए वो अपने मुकाम तक पहुंचे और हम जो भी कर सकें उनके लिए, जैसे कि उनका परिवार हमारे लिए हमेशा परिवार ही रहेगा, तो उनसे कोई रिश्ता कभी टूटेगा नहीं। तो ये जो संबंध जो ओपी से है वो हमेशा ही रहेगा। और मेरे अंत में मैं जो बहुत विचित्र एक ये बस कुछ दिन पहले की बात है, मतलब कहिए कि ये इलेक्शंस का सीजन था जब 2 चुनाव हो रहे थे और उसमें हम लोग बाहर टेरेस पे खड़े थे हम और ओपी, और उसी में उधर से नेगी साहब कैंपेन करते हुए आ रहे थे। तो मैं नेगी साहब को नहीं देखा, मैं देखा कि ये एनडीटीएफ के कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं, मैंने उसमें ध्यान से नहीं देखा कि नेगी साहब है। मैंने बस वो आए तो मैंने कह दिया मैं आप लोग को वोट नहीं दूंगा, जिस तरह से आप लोगों ने जिस तरह से देश में कर रखा है एजुकेशन को के खिलाफ आप लोग, तो हम तो नहीं वोट देंगे। तो इस बात को सुन के ओपी ने मेरे पैर छू दिए, मतलब मुझे भी बहुत, मैं रोकते रोकते मतलब उन्होंने कहा कि आप मान गए, मतलब आप जिस तरह से मतलब उनके मुंह पे कह दिया वोट नहीं देंगे भाई, ये मतलब ओपी का जो ये जो मतलब जो जिस तरह से वो ऑनेस्टी को अप्रिशिएट करते थे। हालांकि मैंने तो उस वक्त देखा भी नहीं था कि नेगी साहब है, लेकिन उन्होंने समझा कि मैंने देख लिया है, तो उतना मेरे अंदर भी उतनी हिम्मत शायद नहीं होती अगर नेगी साहब को मैं सामने देखता। लेकिन ओपी ने शायद ये नहीं जानना था कि मैंने उनको नहीं देखा, लेकिन ओपी ने जिस तरह से अप्रिशिएट किया तो ये मुझे लगा कि कितनी ईमानदारी है, कितना एप्रिसिएशन है ऑनेस्टी का, और उस एप्रिसिएशन और मुझे लगता है कि जिस तरह से उन्होंने जो जेस्चर था, मुझे हमेशा ये सोचता हूँ, अब मुझे वो कभी मैं पीछे नहीं हट सकता हूँ। वो एक तरफ हमेशा याद आता है कि देखिए, अगर मैं कभी भी अब अगर उन सब चीजों को सपोर्ट करूं जो बिल्कुल ही जिससे हमारा और ओपी का बिल्कुल वास्ता नहीं होगा, तो मुझे लगता है कि अब मैं सोचूंगा कब। जिस तरह से उन्होंने अप्रिशिएट किया, तो उनकी ईमानदारी, उनका जो उनका कमिटमेंट टू वैल्यूज दंग कर दिया मुझे। he just appreciated he was so value oriented। अंत में मेरे पास एक सजेशन है आप लोग के लिए, हम सब के लिए, कि दो चीजें कर सकते हैं इमीडिएटली। वैसे तो आप लोग ने बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें सोच रखी है। एक कि उनके स्टूडेंट्स और हम लोग जो अपने जो सहज विचार है उनके लिए वो एक 2-3 पेज और 1-2 पेज लिख के एक छोटा सा एक बुकलेट टाइप से अगर हम लोग कंपाइल कर दें ओपी के लिए, वो एकेडमिक नहीं, एक छोटा सा बुकलेट, उसके उनके स्टूडेंट्स, इतने प्यारे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोली हैं, तो कुछ लोग अगर उन थॉट्स को अगर पेपर पे डाल दे, पेन पेपर में या उसका करके अगर हम लोग कंपाइल कर ले बुकलेट, तो बड़ा एक तरह का मेमोरी मतलब प्रिजर्व होगा एक बड़े। और एक दूसरा कि हम और एक सीरियसली एकेडमिक तरीके से अगर हम लोग उनके लिए एक एसेज इन हिज ऑनर, अगर हम लोग सब एक टॉपिक अपना डेडिकेट कर दें ओपी के लिए एंड ब्रिंग आउट अ काइंड ऑफ अ बुक which can be published from a good publication house, तो I think ओपी मेरा विश्वास है कि ओपी कभी मतलब लाइफ नेवर एंड्स, एग्जिस्टेंस का दूसरा फॉर्म है, और जहां भी है ओपी he will keep evolving higher and higher. OP was like that, he was a bubble who kept moving up and up and up, and in that way he's an inspiration. My prayers for him and his family. Thank you so much, Sanjeev.
Thank you, Ashwin ji.
हेलो संजय सर, मैं मुशर्रफ बोल रहा हूँ। मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ अगर टाइम है तो?
या आई थिंक
जी, मैं जब कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया 2014 में, तो उसके बाद हमने देखा हमारे कॉलेज की मेस जो इन्वायरमेंट है बहुत फ्रेंडली है, खास करके हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का भी। लेकिन खास करके मैं ओपी सर के बारे में बोलूँ तो ओपी सर हमेशा सुबह के पीरियड में वो क्लास लेते थे, और अक्सर किसी सेमेस्टर में मेरा भी उसी टाइम में क्लास हो जाया करता था। तो वो अक्सर जब फ्री होते थे क्लास से, मैं भी फ्री होता था, तो वो फ्रैंकली बात करते थे। मैंने कभी नहीं देखा कि उन्होंने कभी उस हायरार्की में बिलीव किया और सीनियर जूनियर में बिलीव किया, या फिर एडहॉक कलीग और परमानेंट कलीग में डिफ्रेंशिएट किया। वो हमेशा लास्ट मेरी अगर एकेडमिक बात की करें कि एकेडमिक बात जो उनसे हुई, जब बिहार इलेक्शन हो रहा था उसी वक्त उनका क्लास भी मॉर्निंग में था और मेरा भी था। वो क्लास लेके फ्री हो चुके थे, मैं एक क्लास लेकर गया था, बीच में 1 आवर का गैप था मेरा। तो वो बैठे तो बहुत फ्रैंकली बिहार के पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो अपनी ओपिनियन बता रहे हैं, मुझसे भी मेरी ओपिनियन पूछ रहे हैं। तो मुझे ऐसा महसूस हो रहा था कि जैसे हम एक फ्रेंड और एक हम उम्र दोस्त के साथ बैठ कर के बात कर रहे हैं, और वो अपने डिस्कशन में ये नहीं दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा सुपीरियर है या बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज रखते हैं। तो ये उनका बहुत ही फ्रेंडली था। और एक इंसिडेंट हमने देखा जो 2017 में जब वो टीआईसी थे, और उस वक्त हम 2 एडहॉक कलीग के अपने डिपार्टमेंट में जॉब चली गई, तो उसके लिए उन्होंने बहुत फोर फ्रंट पर आकर के बात की प्रिंसिपल से, और हमने देखा एकेडमिक काउंसिल में भी बात की। तो वो यानी सारे कलीग के लिए बहुत कंसर्न रहते थे, और अपने जो जूनियर कलीग हैं, एडहॉक कलीग हैं, उनके लिए भी बहुत कंसर्न होते थे। सबके साथ बहुत फ्रेंडली उनका रिश्ता रहता था, और वो हायरार्की में बिलीव नहीं करते थे, और वो बहुत खुशमिजाज आदमी थे। और कभी भी उनको एंगर होते मैंने नहीं देखा किसी पे बहुत ज़्यादा। तो उनकी ये सारी जो पोलाइटनेस है और उनकी एक ह्यूमैनिटी की जो अप्रोच थी, वो सारी चीज़ें हमें बहुत लंबे वक्त तक याद रहेगी। और ख़ास करके वो जो उनका सेकुलरिज्म में जो बिलीफ था, वो भी बहुत दिनों तक याद रहेगी। जो करंट पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियो था उसको देख करके वो बहुत अफसोस करते थे, और हमेशा वो जताते थे कि ये जो है हमारे देश के लिए ठीक नहीं है, हम सब के लिए ठीक नहीं है, और इससे हमें बाहर आना पड़ेगा, और आज न कल हम लोग इससे बाहर आ जाएंगे। तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने घर परिवार और कॉलेज नहीं बल्कि देश के बारे में भी बहुत चिंतित रहते थे, और खास करके देश की जो पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट है उसके बारे में भी वो बहुत चिंता करते थे कि हमारे देश जिस तरफ मूव कर रहा है, आगे फ्यूचर क्या होगा हमारे देश का, इसके बारे में भी बहुत चिंता करते थे। तो उनकी बहुत सारी ये मेमोरी है जो हम लोग इतने दिनों में उनके साथ सहेजा है, और वो हमेशा साथ रहेगी। और मैं यही अंत में प्रार्थना करना चाहूँगा कि ईश्वर उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे और उनके घर वालों को सब्र करने की ताकत दे। थैंक यू सर।
धन्यवाद मुशर्रफ जी। इस तरह के मुझे लगता है कि ये जो वाक्य है, ये जो मेमोरीज हैं और जो संस्मरण आप लेकर आ रहे हैं सारे, वो and I'm not getting words now to speak more, and I'm literally at loss. So if you may all allow us to conclude this meeting for the day. I know there are many who have had great relationship with OPG because he could connect with all. एक विलक्षण इंसान थे, उसमें तो ये तो कोई अतिशयोक्ति नहीं होगा अगर इस पर कोई बात हो तो। He was a great, he was out of the place. So I think taking all the values, I'm at loss to say what I want to say now. So please allow us to conclude this meeting. I'm sure there are many who would like to say and share their thoughts and memories, but maybe Sonu, if you can continue with other colleagues, please, because it's little difficult. कोई बोलना चाहेंगे because I'm at loss to say anything now. Can we conclude, Sonu, or you would like to just extend some notes?
Sanjeev, I think we can conclude the meeting if nobody has to say anything.
Yeah, I think there are many who wanted to join us, but thank you all for joining us for this meeting together. We promise that through the department, हम OPG के साथ रहेंगे through his works, okay, that has inspired us all. Or definitely in the years to come, we look forward to again join hands with you on many of our initiatives in which we require your support. So thank you so much for today, and please take care of yourself, all of you. These are difficult times, and we need to stay safe and stay healthy. So thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.